Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Nushi. Have you ever wondered how people earn money on Fiverr? So creating an account is not enough. You need a professional gig to start getting orders. So most beginners make one hack mistake that stop them from getting orders. So in my previous video I show you how to create a Fiverr account. So in this video I show you how to create a Fiverr gig step by step. So exactly what mistake is and how to avoid it. So I share common mistake that can prevent your gig from getting orders. So make sure you watch until the end because the final tip could completely change your Fiverr account. So don't skip video. Let's get started. Click Google browser. So log in your Fiverr account. Click here. Type Fiverr. So you can log from here. Click from here. Fiverr account. You can see Fiverr home page from here. Click on your profile picture in top right corner. Click it. Then select become a seller. Click it. So let's click. So now we are on the gig title page. Here you need to enter a clear professional title that describes your service. So your title should help buyers understand exactly what you offer. So for example, if you create a logos, you can write I will design a professional business logo. So here gig title and category and search tag. So here we have to type our gig title. So don't use unclear gig titles. Your gig title is the first things buyers see. If the title is confusing or too short, so use clear and specific title that describe exactly what you will do for them. So write clearly. So let's type here title. So you can create your own content or you can use ChatGPT to get idea and inspirations. So type here. So select a category. Click here. Select your category. Graphic designing, digital marketing, writing, translate. So I'm going to select video and animation. So select category. Click here. And video ads and commercial. I click here. So selecting the wrong category make it harder for buyers to find your gig. So choose the category and subcategory that best match your services. So alright, you have search tag. I have type here like this search tag. So here have gig metadata platform. Select your platform of expertise. I'm going to select Facebook. So here have type. So I'm not going to define any type. I'm going to select video orientations. So click any. So keyword help buyers discover. Use the keyword that are related to yours. So type here search tag. I have type here search tag. You can type here. Complete this page. So don't copy and paste descriptions. You can ask any idea from ChatGPT. So many buyers copy description from other sellers. This can make your gig look unprofessional and many even violate Fiverr rules. So always write your own description and explain your service in your own words. A gig with many spellings and grammar errors can make your buyers lose trust in your service. So check your writing carefully before publishing your gig. Select the wrong category, make it harder for buyers to find your gig. Choose the category and subcategories the best match of your services. So keywords help to buyers discover your gig. Use keywords that are related to your service on your gig can reach the right audience. Complete every section of your gig including the description, pricing, requirements, fact and image. An incomplete gig look less professional and may receive a few orders. Continue to save and continue. Click here. So here have package details: basic, standard, premium. Here you have to write name your packages and describe the details of your offering and delivery time. So type here basic package details, and here description details. So your description right here. So right here, type here standard package details, type here, and here standard package description. So, and premium package, and here you have type basic package details and description. So here I have typed basic package details and standard package details and premium package details and delivery time also. So right section revisions. So here frequently asked questions. Add fact, click here. Here you can ask question, add question. I'm going to continue. Alright. Here get all the information you need from buyers to get started. Read properly. If you are ordering for a business, what your industry, 3D design, e-commerce, account marketing, etc. So in this order, part of the biggest project your work on building mobile app, creating an animation, developing a game, exactly like that. You can add new sections. Click here to save and continue. Add here section. Now you can see here we have completed overview, pricing, description, fact, requirement, gallery. Now we have to do publish. So you're almost there. Save it. So here you have to add section. Text for the second section. Alright, showcase your service in a gig gallery. So here have gig image, guidelines, video one only. Here you can click here and you can drag and drop. Click here to browser. So I have uploaded here my video. So here you have to upload your image. Yeah, successfully I have uploaded my image also. So here document. Show some of the best work you create in a document PDF. So I have uploaded here PDF documents. You can upload 2 documents. Click here to declare this. Click here and save and continue. Click it. Verify your phone number now here. Click here. Country. Select your country and verify your phone number. You have security questions. I will choose here. What was the name of your first pet? Yeah, and the answer Louis. My pet name is Louis. Okay, your phone number was successfully verified. So when writing your gig description, make sure to highlight important words and key services. This helps buyers quickly notice the most important information. If your customer sees highlighting what they are looking for, they are more likely to read your description and consider your services. So highlight important words in your description. This helps customer notice key information quickly. You can use ChatGPT to get ideas for your gig title, description and keywords. So it can help. This part I will highlight. So you can see here I have clearly highlighted. Read properly. First of all, read everything. Okay, alright. Now I have successfully completed creating my Fiverr gig. So I hope this tutorial helped you. If you enjoy this video or learn something new, please like and share and subscribe my channel for more Fiverr and freelancing tutorials. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.